SonicWall provides a broad range of intelligent security solutions, including network security, secure remote access, and email security. To protect you from the latest threats, our dedicated threats research team, called Capture Labs, works around the clock to protect our customers from all forms of digital threats. Their process that can be broken into 4 steps: collection, classification, signature creation, and protection. Formed in 1999, Capture Labs continuously collects threat data for our broad product portfolio. We've vigorously processed this threat data and cross-pollinate it to create an unmatched level of synergy between SonicWall's product lines. For example, IP reputation data gathered from email security appliances is shared with next-generation firewalls, and threat information from the extensive base of firewall deployments is fed into the email security line. This cross-pollination approach provides more security coverage than would be available with siloed solutions. Threat data is gathered from several sources, including our award-winning network sandboxing service, Capture Advanced Threat Protection, as well as more than 1 million SonicWall sensors in the Capture Threat Network located around the globe. The data is analyzed using machine learning to extract the DNA from the code to see if it's related to any known form of malicious code. Additionally, we participate in numerous industry collaboration efforts, such as the Microsoft MAP program, so our researchers receive new verified threats before the general public. We also actively engage in numerous international threat research communities and freelance researchers, so our in-house team has a continuous supply of samples of uncommon attacks and vulnerabilities. With this powerful mixture of machine learning and human analysis, Capture Labs carefully examines and classifies all new intelligence samples and traffic captures. To remove false positives and efficiently and accurately verify whether a threat actually exists, we collaborate with industry-leading security research firms and utilize a variety of proprietary tools, such as simulation environments. Once the data is verified, Capture Labs classifies it into categories such as ransomware, mobile exploits, viruses, and so on. Each verified and classified threat then receives a signature or other identifier to enable real-time countermeasures. Signatures are a unique data pattern that the Deep Packet Inspection Engine compares against real-time traffic to identify and block malicious files and traffic. Signatures undergo regression testing and are then checked for false positives before released to our customers automatically, which leads us to step 4, protection. New and updated signatures are sent automatically and transparently to firewalls with current security services subscriptions. We deploy these security updates throughout the day as needed, and they take effect immediately without reboots, network interruptions, or manual interaction. In addition to signatures on the device, SonicWall firewalls have real-time access to millions of less common signatures in the cloud in the event someone tries to leverage an old exploit. In addition, customers can also deploy SonicWall Capture Advanced Threat Protection service to automatically discover and stop attacks no one has ever seen before, such as zero-day, updated malware, and new ransomware attacks. Collection, classification, signature creation, and protection. Our dedicated Capture Labs team uses this 4-step process every day around the globe and around the clock to ensure our customers receive the highest level of protection possible. If you are interested in learning more about our security services subscription for continuous threat protection, contact your local SonicWall partner or visit us at SonicWall.com.